Many of you have heard me talk about on VCR, and specifically the vision video, the different levels of visions that I've witnessed entrepreneurs have. If you categorize your ideas, whether they be in black and white, color, HD, or potentially 4D, those 4D visions become reality, by the way. So if you don't have 4D vision, it doesn't come to you naturally, and you're in luck. It does come to some of us extremely naturally. But you have capabilities that the guys or ladies with 4D vision don't have. And that old capability, what was it? Let me see. Cash. You use cash to buy capabilities. You use cash to extend your reach. Some of you use cash on a consistent basis, whether it be coaching, reading, or otherwise. You're using cash to access vision. So the good thing is, I mentioned again, you have these resources already. They're at your fingertips. You just haven't put them to work yet. As we continue our charge of turning collaboration from a concept to a culture at the SeedSpark CoLAB, we're here to help you unlock those resources to grow like you've never grown before and almost effortlessly. You're taking what you have to give, combining it with someone else's, what they have to give, and through the combination of that, just like in the IC3 formula, you're creating on a consistent basis. It's just you're not having to do anything other than what you're already doing. So let's unlock your collaboration currency. If you like some of what you heard here, there's plenty of other videos around concepts that we create and we help entrepreneurs leverage throughout the entire world to grow like their competition has never seen before and to wipe their competition off the map. Thanks for stopping by.